Example 2. Organizing qualitative, also known as categorical data, into a frequency distribution. Now, a physical therapist wants to determine types of rehabilitation required by her patients. To do so, she obtains a simple random sample of 30 of her patients and records the body part requiring rehabilitation. Okay, and we're going to see that below here. Now, we're going to construct a frequency distribution of location of injury. Now, to construct a frequency distribution, we want to be able to create a list of the body parts, categories, and tally each occurrence, then add up the number of tallies, observations, to determine the frequency. So in this case here, this is what we have. We are given the following. Okay, here is our lists, and now we have our body part. Now again, this is categorical data, qualitative. This isn't numerical. So we want to tally the following. We want to figure out how many do we have that represents the back. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have our tallies, and so we should get 12, therefore the frequency is 12. Now let's take a look at the wrist. We have 1, 2. So therefore we tally, we have 2, therefore 2 is the frequency. For elbow, we have 1. It looks like we only have 1. Therefore the frequency is 1. For hip, we have 1, and then 2. So therefore the frequency is 2. For shoulder, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there we have 4 for the frequency. For knee, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5. For hand, we have 1, 2. So we have 2. For groin, we have 1. And for neck, we have 1. Now, what would be the total? So if we add up the total frequency, if we added them all up, it gives us 30, which is exactly how many patients she had in her random sample, or simple random sample. So it's important to make sure that you have that value listed there.